Have you felt like the stairs have gotten steeper lately? Does it take more effort to get up from a chair? Maybe carrying things makes you feel heavier than before. If you're over 50, you're not alone. The subtle changes we think are just aging could actually be something more serious, a condition called muscle atrophy, where your muscle mass gradually disappears without warning. And it's more common than you might think. According to the American Geriatric Society, up to 60% of people over 50 years old have muscle loss, affecting their mobility, balance, and freedom. But here's the good news: you can restore muscle simply by starting with the foods in your kitchen. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal a simple natural food that will help rebuild muscle strength, increase endurance, and even reduce fatigue. No pills. No fad. Just the daily nutrition your body has been waiting for. So if you feel your legs getting weaker, or you just want to be strong enough to continue the long journey ahead, stay with me. Because small changes made today can lead to a stronger and more stable tomorrow. If you are experiencing muscle loss, please share in the comments how muscle loss affects your life. Before starting the main part of today's video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest videos. And don't leave yet, food number 7 will surprise you. Let's start with 7 dishes. Chickpeas, the tiny bean that packs big power. They may be small, but chickpeas, also known as chickpeas, have powerful effects on muscle health. These golden legumes are a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and now science is catching up to what tradition has known for centuries. Nutritional power. Only 100 grams cooked chickpeas deliver 9g vegetable protein, the key to muscle recover. 48 mg magnesium, supports muscle contraction, reduces cramps. 0.63g leucine, activates the mTOR pathway, which is necessary for muscle building. 2.9 mg iron, improve oxygen supply to the body. This is a powerhouse of muscle-supporting nutrients in just one scoop. Why it helps seniors. As we age, we absorb and use protein less efficiently. Chickpeas are gentle on digestion, and the combination of protein, fiber, and minerals helps maintain strength, reduces fatigue, and supports daily activities even better. Their fiber, 7.6g per 100g, helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing insulin spikes that can impair muscle recovery. How to use. Eat 150g, about 1 cup, cooked chickpeas 3-4 times a week. Try this recipe. Yellow chickpea ice cream, blend 200g cooked chickpeas, 300 ml vegetable stock, 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. Warm and serve with lemon juice to absorb more iron. Fun fact. In some parts of Europe, roasted chickpeas are ground into a caffeine-free coffee alternative, boost metabolism and improve concentration naturally. So next time you want a snack do more, try chickpeas, small, delicious, and truly transformative. 2. Green peas, the gentle green giant for your muscles. You can think of green bean just a side dish, but these little blue pearls are the secret weapon against age-related muscle loss. They are easy to prepare, cost-effective, and surprisingly effective. Nutritional highlights. In 100 grams cooked peas, you will see 5.4g protein, helps build and maintain muscle. 0.65g leucine, promotes muscle protein synthesis. 1.5 mg iron, increases oxygen supply to tired muscles. Lysine, essential for collagen formation and muscle recovery. Plus, antioxidants like saponin to reduce soreness after exercise. What a powerful muscle support packed into something so familiar. Why it matters for seniors. Peas are soft, easy to chew, and easy to digest, great for people with dental or digestive problems. Their balanced nutrients help maintain strength, reduce fatigue, and support muscle recovery, especially for adults over 50 years of age with muscular dystrophy. Their fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar, a bonus for those who are controlling diabetes and preventing strokes that affect energy levels. How to eat them. Enjoy 150g, about 1 cup, of peas at least 3 times a week. Try this spread. Pea and almond butter. Mix 200 g cooked peas with 20 g almonds, 1 teaspoon olive oil and a little lemon juice. Grate on toast or crackers. Fun fact: peas have nearly twice the fiber of spinach and have been grown since ancient Greece, where they were used to fuel warriors on long marches. Ready to get healthier and greener? A handful of peas can go a long way. 3. Spirulina, the ancient superfood that boosts modern muscles. It doesn't grow in gardens and it's not something you'll find on most dinner plates, but spirulina, a type of dark blue-green algae, is one of the most protein-rich natural food on Earth. And it could be just the boost your muscles have been waiting for. Nutritional highlights. Each 10 grams, about 2 teaspoons, of spirulina powder. Up to 7 g complete protein with all essential amino acids. 195 milligrams magnesium, supports muscle relaxation, reduces cramps. 50 milligrams iron, improves oxygen supply and reduces fatigue. Phycocyanin, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation in muscle tissue. It's a tiny creature that can do big things for your body. Why it matters for seniors. As we age, inflammation and oxidative stress increase, making it harder to recover from exercise, maintain strength, or even maintain activity. Spirulina provides bioavailable protein and minerals in an easily digestible form, perfect for seniors with reduced appetite or absorption issues. It helps speed up recovery, improve energy, and support daily muscle function, just 1 teaspoon a day. How to use. Mix 3-5 g per day into smoothies, juices or simply stir into a glass of coconut water. Post-workout supplements, 5 g spirulina plus 250 milliliters coconut water plus a little lemon juice equals hydration plus recovery in just 1. Fun fact. Spirulina is used by NASA will provide food for astronauts in space, thanks to its nutrient density and ability to support muscles under extreme conditions. Don't let its size fool you. Spirulina may be small, but it's a giant when it comes to muscle health. 4. Parsley, the tiny herb that helps regenerate strength from within. You may have seen it on the side of your plate or sprinkled on top of soup. But parsley not just a decorative vegetable, it's a powerful little plant with surprising muscle-supporting abilities, especially for adults over 50. Nutritional highlights. In just 10 grams fresh parsley, you will get 130 milligrams apigenin, a flavonoid that reduces muscle inflammation and helps regenerate damaged muscle fibers. 16.640 micrograms vitamin K, supports muscle contraction and strengthens bones. 4 milligrams iron, increases energy by helping transport oxygen to muscle cells. Over 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement, supports collagen formation for stronger muscles and tendons. A powerhouse of nutrition, all in just a handful of greens. Why it matters for seniors. As we age, muscles become more susceptible to injury and inflammation. Parsley helps cool the fire inside and aids in repair at the cellular level. Vitamin K is especially important in older adults because it helps improve balance, stability, and bone strength, all of which are essential for preventing falls. How to use. Target to aim for 15 g fresh parsley daily. Try this. Morning coriander tea, soak 10 g parsley in hot water for 5 minutes. Boost your green smoothie, mix parsley with lemon juice, spinach and ice for a refreshing start. Fun fact. In ancient Greece, athletes chew parsley before competing. To improve endurance and strength. Thousands of years later, it still does the same thing, only with more science to back it up. So next time you see parsley on your plate, don't push it aside, consider it one of nature's best-kept muscle secrets. 5. Chives, a small herb with big benefits for muscles. They may look like thin green onions, but chives more than just a flavorful coating. These slender stems are packed with nutrients that can help protect and restore aging muscles, making them a smart and delicious addition to your diet after 50. Nutritional highlights. Each 100 grams of chives, you get 90 mg vitamin C supports collagen production and muscle recovery. 30.000 micrograms vitamin K supports muscle contraction and strengthens bones. High in allicin and quercetin, natural compound that increases blood flow, oxygen delivery, and reduces inflammation. Plus, antioxidants help protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. This tiny herb works quietly but powerfully to help maintain elasticity in your muscles. Why it matters for seniors. As we age, reduced blood circulation, inflammation, and slower recovery make it more difficult to maintain mobility. The nutrients in chives support stronger muscle contractions, better blood flow and faster recovery after activity. Regular use may help. Reduces cramps, stiffness and fatigue, especially in the legs. How to use. Add to 10 g fresh chives per day, raw or lightly cooked. Try this recipe. Yogurt avocado chives smoothie. Blend 10 g chives, 1/2 avocado and 150 ml plain yogurt. Creamy, refreshing and rich in muscle-supporting nutrients. Or do 1 chives oil. Mix 30 g chives with 100 ml olive oil, leave for 24 hours, then drizzle over vegetables or fish for a delicious, nutritious flavor. Fun fact. Chives have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to increase circulation and endurance, and modern science is finally catching up. Simple, fragrant and quietly powerful, chives deserve a permanent place in your muscle-friendly kitchen. 6. Lean protein, the daily essential your muscles can't live without. When it comes to protecting your strength as you age, there are few things more important than lean protein. Whether it's chicken breast, turkey, or white fish, these foods are all rich in high-quality protein. Helps prevent the slow and invisible loss of muscle mass known as muscle atrophy. Nutritional highlights. Only 100 g skinless chicken breast contains 31 g complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids. Leucine, spark, that triggers muscle growth. Low in saturated fat, protects cardiovascular and muscle health. Turkey, cod, and tilapia offer similar benefits while being gentle on the digestive system, perfect for seniors with sensitive stomachs. Why it matters for seniors. After age 50, your body becomes less efficient at using protein to build and repair muscle. That means you need more protein per meal than when you were younger. Lean protein sources are easy to prepare, widely available, and help maintain muscle strength, improve balance and support independence. Research from the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics shows that adults over 50 need 1.2–1.5 g protein per kg body weight per day to prevent muscle loss. How to eat. Eat lean protein at every meal, especially breakfast and lunch. Try pairing grilled chicken with steamed broccoli, the vitamin C boosts protein absorption. Or grill white fish with olive oil and lemon, light, flavorful, and muscle building. Fun fact. Leucine, abundant in lean meats, doesn't just repair muscle, it actually tells your body, now, let's build, every time you eat. Sometimes the best muscle support doesn't come from supplements, but from what you already have. 7. Parmesan cheese, small but mighty for muscles and bones. It can be in the form of flakes or sprinkles, but Parmesan is one of the most concentrated sources nutrients that strengthen bones and muscles you can add to your diet, especially as you age. Nutritional highlights. Only 30 g, about 1 ounce, Parmesan provides 330 mg absorbable calcium, that is about 30% of your daily needs. 10 g protein, complete and easy to digest. Phosphorus and vitamin A, important for cell repair and bone health. Unlike many other cheeses, Parmesan is naturally low in lactose, is a smart choice for seniors who are sensitive to milk. Why it matters for seniors. After 50, your muscle and bone density begin to decline, often quietly. Calcium isn't just for bones, it plays a important role in muscle contraction and reduces cramps and fatigue. Combined with protein, Parmesan becomes a food with a dual effect, strengthening bones and support your every move. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, recommended for adults over 50 years old 200 mg calcium per day, and Parmesan cheese make this dish easy and delicious. How to eat. Add to 20-30 g Parmesan cheese into your salad, soup or omelette. Even a light sprinkle over steamed vegetables or pasta adds flavor. And muscle supports strength. Fun fact. Parmesan was once called the king of cheeses in Italy, and Roman soldiers carried it in their rations strength and endurance on long marches. Delicious, rich, and incredibly nutritious, Parmesan is more than just a topping, it's the secret weapon to help you age well. You don't miss your chance. No matter your age, your body is listening. Every bite you eat, every little change you make, it matters. Even now, in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, you have the power to nourish your muscles, rebuild your strength, and regain your confidence, one meal at a time. Sometimes we think it's too late. Getting weaker is just part of the aging process. But the truth is, your body is waiting for the right support. And those foods we talked about today? They're not expensive. They're not exotic. They're simple, everyday ingredients, things you probably already have in your kitchen, that can help you walk with more stability, move more easily, and feel like yourself again. So try a change this week. Add some parsley to lunch, blend a smoothie with spirulina, or sprinkle Parmesan cheese on dinner. Small steps add up. If this video gives you hope or teaches you something new, please click like, it helps others like you find it. We look forward to hearing from you and comment, which dish will you try first? And if you haven't already, register channel for more tips on how to stay healthy, independent, and vibrant after 60. You are not alone in this journey. We'll be there for you, every step of the way. See you in the next video.